Thanks for joining me again on the Wednesday weekly webinar. My name is Lisa DeRees. I live in Moab, Utah. It's the southwest section of the United States. Let's begin. Song Tian movement. Ready, hands up. Open with the breath blow. Your left hand sweeps up. Open up to heaven's love, invited into your heart. Be open to our precious earth as the left hand rests on top of right thumb's touch. So from here, I'd like to practice the heart of spring. I don't know if we'll make it all the way through the form. First movement, spring sun has returned, slowly turns like a sunflower. Sink in the knees, the hands come out. As you inhale that right hand to the heart, left hand comes back. Go nice and slow. The spring sun has returned. Feel your arm. Feel it reach out to me. Straight out. Feel us one by one connect to each other. Moving outward into our environment. Let the feeling feel bigger and bigger. Eventually going out into the universe. Feel your connection to the earth, and then go beyond to the other planets, to the sun, to the moon, the stars, and all the other planets, the universe. Close your eyes to feel this vast ocean of love. It's big and it's available to each of us. Think of the torso turning like we did in some of the previous movements. 1, 2, 1, 2. Last time. 1. Finish. 2. Second movement. Restoring the sun to its origin. Shift the weight to your right. Ready? 2. Come up. 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Come up. Inhale. 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax through the fingers all the way down. Catch your breath. Rediscovering the moon. Shift weight. It's almost like that undulation. Knees, feel that bend in the knees. Careful not to come up too far. Elbows go back, chest opens. This movement always reminds me of the tides of the ocean, the high tide, the low tide. The ebbs and the flows, and how it's connected to the cycles of the moon. Can you feel that feeling within yourself? Maybe it's something you could later, after practice, go back into the heart space and type in your feeling. Maybe remember one movement and then be willing to share on the heart space chat. Again, if you're feeling tired, take a break. You can do this from a chair. It's a different little feeling. It's much smaller. One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last time, settle. All the way through the fingers. Do you ever finish a movement and your hands are still like this? Good thing to pay attention to. There you go. Relax. Okay, fourth movement, returning the moon. Adjust your stance. We're going to Slowly turn our body to the left, your left. I'm doing mirror image today. Ready? 1, sink in the knees, and then continue 2. Again, it's this slow, meditative movement, like the first movement. The hands are moving in the opposite direction. It's like pulling chi into the dantian. The weight is 50-50. Again, as your hand extends out, reach out to me. Yeah, like that. It's a chi and chi exchange, whether we're through a computer screen, in person in a room together, or just with our intention in our mind or in our heart. I've also noticed that in the first and the fourth movement, I can follow my breath to gauge the timing, synchronizing the body. So if I inhale to the right, exhale to the left, inhale to the right, exhale to the left. Try it on your own. Close your eyes if you want. One more minute. Last time. 1. Finish. Sink a little. 2. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Adjust your stance. Shake out the feet. We'll do the Zongtian movement. And bring the hands together with gratitude. Open the palms with a breath blow. Your left hand goes up. Prayers of gratitude for heaven's love, guidance, this opportunity to connect with one another. Gratitude for precious earth we call home. Thank you so much. Thank you again for joining us, and you're all wonderful. See you again. Keep practicing. Much love. Bye-bye for now.